इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूं के बारे में मैंने ऑब्वियसली बहुत सुना था।
इतना लंबा तो वो चला भी नहीं था जितना सबने सुन लिया। मैं भी एक्चुअली थोड़ा गुंडा टाइप का हूँ।
अच्छा, आपने काफी बार बोला हुआ है कि इमोशंस आर अबाउट द आईज नॉट अबाउट द एब्स।
कोई एक्टर है जो अपने एब्डोमेन से एक्टिंग कर देगा? That's why I became an actor. मैंने एक्टिंग देखी एक फिल्म में और मैंने कहा ये तो बहुत खराब कर रहा है। तो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग और मैं बहुत सालों से सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं ये बोलूँगा। अगर आपको कोई कुछ कहता है ना, उसको आप जब इग्नोर कर दोगे ना, उसकी वैल्यू जीरो हो जाती है।
यू सेड ओपनली कि मुझे ADHD है।
मैं मोहम्मद लाइक कि हाइपर एक्टिव है हमारा बच्चा, हाइपर।
What kind of a man do women in this country seem to want?
Women like a man rising up to an occasion. I can very proudly say that all the women that I worked with, they felt really safe around me. Actually, it does not mean that I'm the best guy in the world. I'm just trying to say all you other guys are subpar.
हेलो निखिल,
Hey, hi.
आज कौन गेस्ट आ रहा है?
संडे।
कौन संडे?
कौन संडे नहीं, किसका संडे?
किसका संडे?
एक ऐसे एक्टर जो तुम्हारा संडे, मेरा संडे, सबके संडे जैसे हैं, वो रियल लाइफ में ऑन स्क्रीन एंड होपफुली इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में।
कौन?
It's none other than the very phenomenal actor behind and in Kohra 1 and 2, Barun Sukti, who by the way is doing his first ever podcast today.
ओ वाह, चलें शूट करें?
What are we waiting for? Welcome to Be a Man Yaar, presented by the good folks at Rohini Nilekani Philanthropies in association with Dove Men Plus Care. आज जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, he is not someone who does a lot of podcast, तो मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि आप मेरे साथ
Lot of क्या, मैं तो किए ही नहीं।
आपने किए ही नहीं है। बहुत ही रेयर देखे मैंने इस इकोसिस्टम में, इस मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में, परफॉर्मेंसेस में ऐसे कुछ कलाकार जो अपनी मैस्कुलिनिटी को परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे, जो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं यार मैं तो जो हूँ, दिस इज हु आई एम ऑथेंटिकली एज अ कैरेक्टर, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ पर्सन, एंड दैट इज व्हाट स्टैंड्स आउट इन एवरीथिंग आई हैव सीन ऑफ योर्स। तू है मेरा संडे, आई थिंक जब मैंने पहली बार देखा वरुण, मुझे उसमें इतना अच्छा लगा, एक ऐसे कलाकार को देखकर जो टेलीविजन पे आप इतने बड़े स्टार हैं, एंड देन यू चोज अ रोल दैट वाज वेरी काउंटर टू व्हाट आई वुड हैव एक्सपेक्टेड फॉर अ मैन ऑफ योर फेम। क्योंकि आप अगर टिपिकली आप देखते हो कि कोई अगर एक मीडिया में बहुत फेमस होता है, उनकी नेक्स्ट चॉइसेस भी उसकी होती है, हाउ डू आई यूज दिस फेम एंड यूटिलाइज इट टू द मैक्सिमम, पुट माई सेल्फ आउट इन अ बिग वे।
पागल हो जाएगा ना।
हाँ भाई, लोग। एंड उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स योर करियर एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव डन, चाहे असुर हो, चाहे ऑफ कोर्स कोहरा, व्हिच इज आई थिंक वन ऑफ, if not the favorite thing I've seen on television, one of the top 3 things I've seen on television. And just every choice you've made has just made me want to sit across with you. And I'm very happy that you are here today and I actually am getting to have this chat. Before I get to my first segment, which is a very sweet thing and आपको बहुत मजा आएगा, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप overall आप क्यों, why are you not a very out there person, if I may say? आप क्यों choose करते हो to not do these podcasts, to not have conversations?
यार मुझे लगता है कि
अपने बारे में बातें
सच्ची वाला बताता हूँ आपको, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ये कौन सुनेगा मेरी बात यार, पहली चीज। और दूसरी चीज मुझे लगती है यार कि ज्ञान अगर पेलना है तो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि भाई कि मतलब जिंदगी बदल जाएगी किसी की। और पता है क्या, जिंदगी उसकी बदलती है जो सुनना चाहता है, जो सुनना ही नहीं चाहता उसकी जिंदगी नहीं बदलने वाली है, तुम जो मर्जी बोलते रहो। और फिर ऑनेस्टली मुझे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये भी है कि ये लोगों तक बोलते हैं।
ये मेरी थ्योरी है कि जो जिनको बोलना चाहिए वो ज्यादा बोलते नहीं, और जो बोल रहे हैं, वो जो कंज्यूम हो रहा है, वो शायद ऐसा है नहीं।
No, sir, I think a reasonable conversation can be incited from a valuable question.
Fair enough.
And there are no valuable questions enough in our media, to be honest with you. The level of intellect is very, very low. क्या बात करूं मैं, मतलब how much can you talk about your कि मेरी दाढ़ी का एक बाल ज्यादा आ गया एक दिन, what the fuck is that? फिर मुझे लगता है कि मैं क्यों ही करूं, मैं सोचा घर बैठ के टीवी देख लूंगा।
मुझे एक्चुअली बैठ कर वही कुछ I mean I had so many different things I want to ask, which I'm going to ask.
Please do
today instead of again have pontificating on this. तो हमारा जो पहला सेगमेंट है वरुण, is a very sweet segment. इसको बोलते हैं हम अनबॉक्सिंग बॉयहुड। तो हम हमारे
unboxing
बॉयहुड तो हमारे पास एक बक्सा है,
Okay.
जिसके अंदर कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं, कुछ ऐसी शायद मेमोरीज हैं जिसको आप देख कर दे विल ब्रिंग समथिंग आउट ऑफ यू, होपफुली एनेक्डोट maybe some sort of a story.
That's so kind of you. St. Mark's School. Okay, the report card does not say anything. Right, yeah. But it's okay in studies.
बाहर
He might have a great, he might have a great future in acting. A signature. Okay. My principal wouldn't have signed that. For sure. Yeah, pass is.
आपकी आपकी स्कूलिंग कैसी थी? कहाँ पे थे? कौन से स्कूल में थे आप?
I was in Paschim Vihar. There was a place called Paschim Vihar, New Delhi, in West Delhi. And there was this phenomenal school called St. Mark's, where I met my wife.
Yeah.
And I guess the only school I studied in all of my life.
Wow.
All of 12 and 13, 14 years, yeah.
Wow.
So I was in Mirabag, and I'm not able to open these mint cigarettes that I really, really want.
ये फैंडम थी आपके पास उस टाइम पर भी?
आप कहाँ से?
मैं ये हमेशा जो मैं तो कोई सवाल पूछता मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ कैसे आंसर करूँ. तो मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड ग्रेट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बिफोर पार्टीशन, वो जो अभी प्रेजेंट डे पाकिस्तान है, वहाँ पे थे. हम लोग रेफ्यूजीज थे who came after partition and settled in different parts of Punjab and Haryana.
My grandparents came from, my Nani came from Peshawar, and my grandpa was in Lahore.
मेरी नानी
I lived in Delhi all my life. Born and raised like 26.
तो आपकी भी मतलब रेफ्यूजी कॉलोनी में थे दिल्ली में? कैसे थे?
नहीं, दादाजी made money.
ओके.
हाँ, so that my grandpa was rich.
Okay.
Yeah, we lost it somewhere around the way.
Which one?
And my grandpa, my dad's father.
Okay, okay.
My grandpa, my mother's father, was really rich. He used to run a printing press
Oh.
at that time. So I don't know. I mean, आजकल के बच्चों को सुनने में समझ नहीं आएगा शायद. But developing a business at the time partition was a huge deal. You were an absolute somebody in case you figured something out. So my grandpa, that side, figured cement out. And my grandpa, mom's side, figured magazines and क्या होता था? Newspaper.
क्या होता था? न्यूज़पेपर. यस. टेल मी अबाउट योर चाइल्डहुड. फिर आप क्या मतलब वेस्ट दिल्ली के अंदर इन अमॉन्ग द पंजाबीज ओवर देयर कैसा था? बिकॉज आप बहुत ही, इफ आई मे से सो, बहुत अटिपिकल पंजाबी दिखते हो मुझे. क्योंकि बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो वन, मतलब कि देर इज अ सर्टन काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि पंजाबियों को और स्पेशली पंजाबी लड़कों को, मुंडों को कैसे होना चाहिए. एंड देन स्टेइंग इन वेस्ट दिल्ली, तो मुझे तो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन दिखता आप में. But were you always like this? What was
Very well. Oh, this is a very good question actually. I'm very glad that you asked that. Because मेरे सारे, मैं भी actually थोड़ा गुंडा टाइप का होता हूँ. हाँ. यार क्योंकि दिल्ली में और कोई तरीका ही नहीं है. But मैंने realize किया over time words have a lot of value.
Okay.
अगर तुम बात ठीक बोलोगे ना, वो बड़े से बड़े गधे को समझ आ जाएगी. वो चाहे कितना भारी हाथ हो उसका, उसकी हाइट जितनी मर्जी हो, उसके हाथ में जो मर्जी मारने के लिए हो तुम्हारे पास, अगर तुमने बात ठीक बोल दी ना, वो समझ आ जाएगी उसको. और ऐसा भी नहीं कोई इसलिए सुने कि तुम बोल रहे हो. बात ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि सुनने लायक हो.
वो गर्मी लग रही है.
हाँ थोड़ी.
हाँ, पता नहीं क्या हुआ पड़ा आज.
नहीं यार गर्मी है यार.
It is a hot thing. So again, anything else from your childhood that you're seeing over here? कुछ आपको ऐसा
Yeah.
interesting दिख रहा है यहाँ पे?
Oh God, would you get this? This is me.
Wow.
That's the girl I married.
This was which class?
This picture was taken in the 10th standard, but I think the first time we met was in 9th.
In 9th.
9th, yeah.
आपको याद है क्या? What was the first?
Yeah. So the first thing I saw, so usually when the stupid thing people ask, you just fall in love in first sight.
Sure.
It intrigues you. So first time she was going to go actually have water on हमारे जो water taps थे वो वाले होते थे ना.
हाँ हाँ.
That's the first time I saw. And then we went to एनुअल ट्रिप्स होता है ना कि स्कूल के क्लास ट्रिप मनाली. That was the first time I was sent because we didn't have a lot of money, so like the usual story. And that's where I got to know her more. That's where we got off the train and I lifted her bag, whatever the bag was, na, jo carrying her, and took her away. I remember one of our teachers told her that be aware of this guy.
हैं?
Yeah. यार मैं थोड़ा शरारती था.
अच्छा.
टीचर्स को वैसे बच्चे पसंद नहीं आता. वो उस टाइम पे सीन अलग था. हाँ. And we talked a lot on that trip. So that's where I fell in love with her.
तो बट ऐसे फिर what was it about you that she was also like कि हाँ शरारती है बट अच्छा है.
भाई वो तो उसको पूछना पड़ेगा. उसने मतलब like she was the topper of our school. She was the most good-looking girl in the school. She was the nicest person on the planet Earth you will meet. She was the most intelligent. Everything. I was dull. I didn't pass. I was only on the field the whole time. I mean, I had my whole be a man wale things going on, but I think she still likes me.
That's I'm happy to hear that. I feel like the first time any boy जो पहली बार एक्सप्रेस करते हैं ना वो ऐसे एक्सप्रेस होता है. पहली बार जब दिल से आपको पता चलता है कि अंदर अच्छा मेरे अंदर ये सब था मुझे पता भी नहीं है. It actually happens when you first talk to a girl.
यार हमारे साथ क्या हुआ कि I'm not saying this because it becomes more saleable. Actually, I'm saying this. जब वो मेरे को मिली तो तब तो मेरा दिमाग लॉक हो गया. उसके बाद मैं सोच नहीं पाया कुछ. उसके बाद सोचना ये था कि how to carry this on. ये तो impossible है. ये इतनी अमीर है मैं तो गरीब हूँ. And then what she did was she went to Australia for her masters. I took a job in a call center. And then I went on an OJT, an on-job training in the US. I didn't have the money. The only thing I could do was send an email. So Radio Shacks were newly installed over there. So I sent an email from a Radio Shack. And that was also timed. कितने टाइम में जितना लिख सकते हो लिख दो. That's when I first realized that, oh, I have this for her. I love her. That was the first time.
तो वो आपका she was in college at that time और आप भी
She was in college.
आप ग्रेजुएट
नहीं मैं जॉब कर रहा था.
अच्छा आप फिर कॉलेज का आपने नहीं किया.
मैंने कॉल गया नहीं कभी.
ओह इंटरेस्टिंग बट बिकॉज ऑफ द फैमिली सिचुएशन इसलिए था.
हाँ. अब मैं दोबारा बोलूँगा तो मम्मी थप्पड़ मार देंगी मेरे को.
Fair enough.
Apart from that, she stayed in Australia for 5 years. Oh, it was a very long time. And then she came back to Bombay and I ruined her life.
I again want to go back to that question that I asked because जब आपने बोला ना पहली बार मुझे भी ये याद आया कि जब पहली बार शायद मैंने भी किसी से बहुत लंबी बात की थी. The first ever time was a girl that I liked in school.
Okay.
तो the girl I had a crush on. Summer vacation का समय था. काफी लोग इंडिया चले गए थे. We were the only people that who was in Bahrain at that time. तो सेम स्कूल में थे तो बात होने लग गई तो पूरी रातें बातें चली. बट इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग कि मतलब अगेन द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रिमेंबर दैट आई वाज ट्रूली वल्नरेबल विद समवन. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि लड़कों के साथ मेरी बहुत बातें हुई हैं. वो एक हमेशा डर लगता था कि यार किसी लड़के को बताऊंगा कोई जजमेंट ना आए. एंड स्पेशली स्कूल के अंदर समटाइम्स यू आल्सो थोड़ी मीननेस होती है आसपास बच्चों के अंदर कभी कभी मजाक उड़ाने की. तो कभी कभी आप किसी के सामने ज्यादा वल्नरेबल हो जाते हो. पता चलता अगले 3 दिन बाद सबको पता चल गया. बिकॉज दिस वाज द आइडिया ऑफ लड़कों के साथ
You
ऐसे.
have no idea the kind of things that happened with me.
Okay.
You have no idea.
ऐसा आपको क्या याद है that I don't know somewhere
यार हम तो वेस्ट में
toughened you
थे.
up? क्योंकि एक डिसीजन भी होता है ना कि at some point आप you make a decision मुझे इस टाइप का लड़का.
Very well. Actually, I have not thought for this for more than a couple of decades, I think. Because what I thought was that when I was growing up, everyone wanted to be special. Everybody wanted to be special. And I was like, it's okay. मैं जैसा हूँ. Everybody, like this was the freaking queue, right? And everyone wanted to be here. And I was like, I must stay here. Everyone came here and became ordinary. And I stood there. Everyone wanted to stand out. And I was like, भाई, को जो आता है वो करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं.
क्यों?
Why can't you be your own self? Actually, that's why I became an actor. मैंने एक्टिंग देखी एक फिल्म में और मैंने कहा ये तो बहुत खराब कर रहा है. तो मेरे को लगा ये तो मैं अच्छा कर सकता हूँ. So yeah,
कौन सी पिक्चर थी?
I don't remember. I remember that.
But you won't say.
I don't want to hear. Why disrespect anyone? Yeah.
कोई भी हो सकता है पिक्चर के अंदर, वुड भी नो.
बहुत गंदा एक्टर था.
अच्छा. ओके. नहीं मैं देखो आई एम गोइंग टू देयर आर मेनी अदर थिंग्स दैट आई आल्सो वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एंड यू नो आप कह रहे थे ठीक है एक टाइम तक शायद मैंने भी गुंडागर्दी वगैरह की हुई है बट एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम आप सॉफ्ट बन गए हो तो आपने और फॉर दैट मैटर जैसे आप मुझे बोल रहे हो मैंने चूज किया कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं बनना है ऐसा बनना है
यार मैं बताता हूँ कैसे how I did it. I used to hate it, by the way. But at the same time, the human being wants to defend his own body, right? So, and I used to get a lot of fights. I was getting into fights, and I was getting into fights never because of me, only because of my friends. The first time I got into a fight because of me, that guy was not very big or something like that, sure.
Okay.
And वो मेरे नीचे था. It's a terrible thing I'm telling, but it's a good thing eventually.
Sure.
I was gonna punch him, and I was gonna punch him. He knew I was gonna punch him. I told him कि ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को तेरे को मारना आता नहीं है. I'm choosing at this point in time not to hit you. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे आता नहीं है. And that time I decided also in my head कि यार फालतू काम करे कोई मजा नहीं है. उसके बाद मैंने लड़ाइयाँ रोकी हैं क्योंकि होती बहुत ज़्यादा थी. तो हमेशा जब भी लड़ाई होती थी आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि होगा क्या फाइनली. ये इसका खून निकलेगा, इसका सर फट जाएगा, किसी की माँ के बच्चे का नुकसान हो जाएगा, तू एंड में जाके सॉरी बोल रहा होगा या हॉस्पिटल के बाहर बैठा हो. कोई फायदा है इससे? It doesn't come around much in Delhi. So that's when I realized कि यार and I still tell people कि if I get into trouble I tell people कि ऐसा नहीं मुझे आता नहीं है, मुझे करना नहीं है. वो आदमी जिसको मैं मारने वाला था वो अगर 8 फुट का होता और उसमें ये कैपेबिलिटी होती वो मुझे फेंक दे तो मेरे पास डाल मारने का मौका था ही नहीं. तो मैं उसको मुक्का मारता हूँ मुझे उड़ा के फेंक देता. So the point is that you have to be generous where you have the capability.
मतलब अगेन नॉट टू स्टीरियोटाइप बट जितना मैंने देखा और जितने दोस्तों को जानता हूँ वो तो फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता मुझे लगता है गुड़गांव दिल्ली के अंदर की. हाँ
कौन गिनता है
लड़ना में ही मजा आता है मुझे लगता है.
हाँ पागल है गधे. हम लोग के टाइम के पागल थे एकदम दिल्ली वाले इन द सेंस की बेवकूफ. इमेजिन द लैक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन डेवलपिंग योर फ्यूचर. वी वेंट हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? लड़ाई करने. सॉरी लड़ाई करने जा रहे हो? अच्छा ठीक है. कौन कौन जा रहे हो? हम तो 8 लोग हैं आज. 8 लोग पहुंच गए. कहाँ जा रहे हो? हम पश्चिम बिहार. That freaking place is 8 kilometers away from my place. Okay. अब हमें क्या अब दिल में बहुत deep down inside the intellect inside me thinks कि यार हम 8 लोग जा रहे हैं कहीं लड़ाई करने के लिए. हम कुछ दुनिया का फायदा भी कर सकते थे. Maybe kind of a thing. वहां जब पहुंचे ना उस तरह से 60 आए थे. 60 people in tempos.
मेरे को याद है जब मैं पढ़ा आई स्टडीड इन एनआईटी कुरुक्षेत्र तो वहाँ पर भी मेरे दोस्त थे जो दिल्ली गुड़गांव के थे. तो मैं ना मतलब एक बार किसी दोस्त के साथ थोड़ी लड़ाई वड़ाई होगी छोटी सी. मतलब हमारी मैंने कभी किसी को मारा वारा नहीं है बट छोटी सी लड़ाई हुई. उसका रिस्पॉन्स था बेटा तू गुड़गांव में होता ना तो कॉलेज आती. आज मैंने कॉलेज पहली बार मैंने देखा कौन सी कॉलेज कहाँ
hilarious story. Okay. Now one of these time मेरा एक दोस्त है गुरमीत. बहुत बड़ा फट्टू है. एक नंबर का. Oh, I'm sorry, भाभी. So this guy, हम ये इसी फाइट की बात है. हम लोग गए और 8 लोग थे. हम बहुत मुश्किल से 8 इकट्ठे होते एकदम पब्लू सारे. वहां से टेम्पो उनके ऐसे खुल रहे थे जैसे उनके पास मतलब भरने के लिए जगह नहीं है और बहुत सारे उतावले हुए पड़े पीछे आने के लिए, ऐसा लग रहा था, ठीक है। तो मैंने उसके कंधे पे आई वाज द बिग गाय, लाइक आज तो नहीं बचेगा, ठीक है। पीछे टेम्पो खुला, बोला भागो। उसके बाद सुनो, अब मेरा तो हाथ कंट्रोल में आ गया है, अब मैं आई एम द मैन, मैं जो मेरे को पकड़ के इन लोगों ने 60 लड़कों ने पीटना शुरू किया, पीटना। Now the hilarious thing was that these idiots had no freaking IQ and power nonetheless or sense. ये सिर्फ एक दूसरे को टकरे मार रहे थे। And at one point, Lina, who's gonna hit me? Somebody gonna hit me. Okay? And Gurneet ना एक टेम्पो के पीछे जाके छुप गया था। I saw him and I was like, क्योंकि मेरे को ज़्यादा एफर्ट लग नहीं रहा था, मैं उसे इतना नहीं करना हूँ, ठीक है। Like, so and these guys tired, they wanted to have bread pakoras, I think. They were headed to a very famous place in Jwala ID called I don't remember the name, but to have their bread pakora. Gurneet comes running. And he's like, "Tu kahan tha? Tu kahan tha?" I saw you hiding there in the car and I told you it's okay. Like, हाँ,
गलत
तू
किया।
क्या बात कर रहा है? नहीं. So that's how Delhi was.
गलत किया।
नहीं, अच्छा किया. I was trying to tell him कि तू बच, एक को मार पड़ रही है, पड़े कोई बात नहीं.
बट ये मतलब दोस्ती का तो ये बेट्रेल हुआ है, मैंने देखा है। इंटरेस्टिंग। तो वो लोग जीत गए, मतलब ये हुआ था, डिसीजन होता था एंड में कि कौन जीता?
नहीं, they wanted bread pakoras यार.
अच्छा, तो बस यही पढ़ना था।
उनको बस ये था, जाके बताना था उनको फिर क्या कहते हैं, वो सेंट मार्क्स वाले लड़के को पेल दिया हमने।
सेंट मार्क्स वाले लड़के को। तो उस टाइम के दोस्त मतलब अभी भी आपके दोस्त हैं?
हाँ, गुरनीत से बात होती है, वो कैलिफोर्निया में।
तो वो दोस्ती आपकी अभी भी चल रही है? तो वो कैसी दोस्ती है, कहाँ से शुरू हुई?
यार वो that survived because of intellect, honestly.
फिर
हम तीनों, मैं, रजत और ऋषि, दो दोस्त हैं मेरे, और हम तीनों की सोच बहुत मिलती है और ऐसे बकवास भी बहुत करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ही है।
Of course.
But our interests lied in the same places. Nice family, nice behavior with everyone, trying to make the world a better place.
तो ये जो अगेन यू नो आई लव आप जो बता रहे हो ना, इन जस्ट इन जनरल ऑफ द एवोल्यूशन जो आपके माइंड में हुई है, दिस वाज इन स्कूल या दिस वाज बाद में जाके आपने?
नहीं, मैं बहुत इवॉल्व हूँ, मैं जंगली था। आई वाज द पर्सन हु यू डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू in school. In my head, I still am. I'm a very underconfident person. I am a very liked person. I don't know if I'm likable or not, but people really like me. But I think I'm ADHD, so that's the need that keeps me going. कि अब ये भी पता करना, ये भी पता करना, ये भी पता करना, kind of a thing. तो हमेशा से ऐसा नहीं था, हमेशा से मुझे अपने आप पे बहुत डाउट था, अभी भी है। वो ऐसा डाउट था कि स्कूल तक तो मम्मी पापा दे देंगे पैसे फीस के, उसके बाद में क्या करना? Like instinctively you see I picked up this jacket and I've covered myself up. It's a sign of defending my own self. So yeah, but yeah, things worked out. Everything is great.
Of course they did. I'm so grateful that they did because we've got such a phenomenal artist on screen. Interesting that you brought up the jacket because मुझे ये भी जानना है कि मतलब, क्योंकि आपने ये बोला भी हुआ है कहीं ना कहीं कि आप artistry for you और art for you is expressive and emotions are about the eyes, not about the abs.
Yeah.
You know, और आपने काफी बार बोला हुआ है कि मुझे ना ये जो फंडा था of having a certain kind of body or the six pack etc something you've rejected in many ways and said कि मुझे I don't want to be that kind of a guy.
Right.
मुझे I want to be known for my range. मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोग जाने कि मैं, मेरी ability क्या है, मेरी कला क्या है, मेरा skill क्या है। और आपने उस आइडिया को कि एक जैसे आपने एक जगह पे बोला भी था कि मैं ना I don't see myself being the guy coming on screen जो 10-12 लोगों को ऐसे मार के पिट के भगा रहा हूँ। etc. But did you ever have any insecurity about your body as a boy? कि आपको कभी ये था कि
I have a
मुझे
terrific physique.
okay,
Yeah, I have a very good physique.
great.
I'm churned out like perfectly fine. Yeah, so I've actually shot a film butt naked. I don't have any insecurities. But to answer your question, thankfully this came to my mind. Acting. The point is acting. कोई एक्टर है जो अपने abdomen से acting कर देगा? नहीं हुआ ना मेरे यहाँ. That's what the answer was. So you have to develop you have to develop your expression. I mean, a part needs you to have a certain kind of physical structure. It does. I just did a show. You know, the brief was we have to see abdomens. I'm like, oh, great, why not? But that's not the whole show. You know, the expression of an actor lies in the eye. Is what I feel.
नहीं मैं इसे भी ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि मैं जब आपको देखता हूँ मुझे लगता है आप ना वैनिटी को काफी रिजेक्ट करते हो. You know, you kind of even in the kind of up the way you also turn up, show up in your
No, see, the thing is, I'm going to cut you there. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about it. Reject करना और accept करना दो अलग-अलग साउथ और मतलब नॉर्थ हो गए. मैं रिजेक्ट नहीं करता पर मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता. Like at one point in time, my idea was that every boy was looking the fucking same, man. हर कोई exactly same लगा. And I was looking at Mr. Shah, Nasrun Shah, and Om Puri, and I'm like, my God, these guys don't have, they just need a resting face.
जैसे मैं again when I noticed you right, जब मैं आपके पहले के फोटोज देखी हैं मैंने और जो भी हैं आपके एक बाल तरीके से होते थे. And now I've started seeing कि आप curls, you're more comfortable with, you know, curls. आप again the it's very unstar like कि vanity होती है कि जब especially अगर आप एक certain position पर हो अपने especially in this industry, I don't think वो pressure सिर्फ you know women पर होता है. I think वो pressure कहीं ना कहीं men पे भी होता है.
It's a little difficult to say this without making certain people look bad, but okay, who cares? People are trying to sell their face. वही एक चीज दिखती रहती तो लोगों को अच्छी लगनी शुरू हो जाती है. It's being done for your attention to be caught. So, like I have always figured that actors in India don't have range. वो सिर्फ अपना हिट थोड़ा बेचने के चक्कर में चल रहे हैं. तो वो थोड़ा एग्जैक्टली वैसा होना चाहिए जैसा पिछले वाले में था जिसमें हिट हुआ था. Kind of a thing. They're not, people are not willing to experiment. So I have just resigned from that. It's not a good idea to resign from that if you're not surrounded by good filmmakers. If you're surrounded by good filmmakers, you should just resign and tell them to make me look like the way you want me to look, make me act the way you want me to act. The only thing it shows is your range and your own capability. People who show restraint in that part, I think, are the ones who are doubtful of their own capability and range. So मुझे range का थोड़ा lately हुआ है. अब ये मतलब पहले शायद अंदर ही अंदर होगा, पर lately it's become like कि अब वो हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, कुछ और करते.
इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आपने कॉन्वर्सेशन में बोला भी है कि पहले मेरी ना पहले 2-3 शोज जो आपने किए हैं शायद आप कह रहे थे मैं देखता हूँ अपने को कितनी खराब एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं. एंड देन उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स यू स्टार्टेड इवन टू बी सेल्फ अवेयर अबाउट दैट कि एक जमाने में कि शायद मेरा आई वाज बीइंग कास्ट बिकॉज आई एम गुड लुकिंग. हाउ डू यू मेक सेंस ऑफ दैट कि यार एक्चुअली शायद मेरे स्किल पे मुझे नहीं पिकअप कर रहे हैं, मेरे लुक्स पे कर रहे हैं, पर मुझे उसको रिजेक्ट करना है, मुझे अपने लुक्स पे नहीं खेलना जब आपके लुक्स हैं भी, मुझे अपने आर्ट पे खेलना है.
This is a very vast argument. Like I remember that when a lot of the shows that I did, I like मेरे को क्यों कास्ट कर रहे हैं, ये तो अच्छे एक्टर पड़े हैं, मेरे को क्या ले रहे हैं. So when I did Cora the first time, Sudeep told me, I remember, like, Paji, it's really difficult to make you look bad. And it was evening. I like, we have an entire evening. Let's try to do it. So, and I think we kind of achieved that a little bit. But my idea was acting and looks are two different professions as acting and modeling.
Interesting.
Yeah. And I didn't want to be a model.
आई एम जस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस माइंडसेट कि जब आपको पता है कि मेरे लुक्स के लिए भी तो मुझे काम मिल रहा है, तो क्यों आपको व्हाई डू यू टेक दैट वन स्टेप फर्दर एंड से कि मुझे यार इससे सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिल रही?
Okay, very, very nicely you put it, and I'm going to answer this even better.
ओके.
You remember this conversation that we were having about my friends in Delhi?
यस.
They were fine with हमारा काम चल रहा है बाकी सारे. These two guys that I talked to you about, Rishi and Roger, they wanted to make this world a better place. मुझे काम चल रहा है ऐसे इनफ नहीं है. मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं वो करूँगा. Instead, right? The right thing to do. And बोलता थोड़ा कम, sorry.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, मैं इससे तो सवाल ज्यादा पूछता हूँ. ये मुझे थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग
My
चाहिए
thing
इसका.
was like कि क्या कहते हैं यार, how do I compare this? There must be a lot of human beings who must be standing in front of the mirror and thinking, I can look like this, I can look like this, I can look like that. Eventually, I think what they're trying to do is hide their craft, which they lack. If your craft is right up your nose, there's no way you can look that is going to hide your craft. I like to look good.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा मैं. I like to look good. Nobody wants to look bad.
Sure.
Yeah. But that can't be the only thing.
I actually think it's also choice, right? क्योंकि आप देखो आपका शो इतना बड़ा है टेलीविजन पे और आपने डिसाइड कर लिया एट इट स्पीक कि मैं नहीं करूँगा और काम. आपको सिर्फ सक्सेस नहीं मिल रही, आपको प्यार भी मिल रहा है और फिर भी आप कहते हो कि मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं करना और मैं कुछ और करूँगा. तो ये तो चॉइस हुई ना, ये तो सिर्फ लक नहीं है.
ये तो चॉइस हुई, पर वो उस चॉइस का लाइक वो चॉइस इसलिए थी कि आई वांटेड टू स्पेंड टाइम विद माय वाइफ हु हैड बीन अवे फॉर 5 years. Yeah. So I was like, I didn't, I don't understand money very well. Yeah. इतना कमाओ कि कम ना पड़े बस.
Oh, absolutely, that's really sweet and very. तो this was not the Australia. ये 5 साल ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाले थे.
So she went to Australia. We finished our graduation. Her graduation finished in 17. She did her bachelor's in La Trobe, Australia. And then she did a master's there. She took up a job. 5 years later, we were able to come to a decision that I think I'm settled enough over here so that she can come back.
And this was आप settled when you felt कि आपका टेलीविजन में career successful है. That's when you felt like okay, you can.
Honestly, it was pretty big of her.
Yeah.
Yeah. क्योंकि ये बात बाद में समझ आई थी कि यहाँ पे कुछ सेट नहीं होता. So yeah.
So what was the conversation?
हमारी कोई बात हम थोड़े तो लेवल हेडेड हैं दोनों. तो it was pretty clear that I wasn't doing well, and she made a career in Australia, a pretty good one. And after a point, the thing was, if I went to Australia, I would have nothing to do because I was not educated. But she came here, chances were that we might blow this thing up. And that's what she did very generously. And that's what we're doing.
So at what time did you decide कि मुझे अब शादी कर लेते हैं?
We got married when we were 26. She'd been away for a while. We were married the day we saw each other, actually, to be honest. Yeah. हमें पता था. The only thing was that I was not from a very affluent. Affluent तो बहुत ही दूर की बात है. मतलब we were not very well to do. So I had to, and I didn't want to risk the family that I was bringing into this world. So I wanted to take my time. So she said, okay, I'm going to go. Well, half a decade you have.
Wow.
Fix whatever you can. And I did in the meanwhile, and then we got married.
Jesse, I think I find it really beautiful that you're a wife guy. कि बहुत ही मतलब अगेन आई फाइंड जो सबसे सिक्योर मैस्कुलिनिटी होती है ना, वो वही होती है कि जहाँ पर आप ना यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट स्पेशली अगर आपकी वाइफ सेक्रीफाइस कर रही है, अपनी पार्टनर सेक्रीफाइस कर रही है, आप अंडरस्टैंड करते हो.
Yeah.
आई फाइंड इट सो एडमिरेबल, सो एंडियरिंग. आई मीन लव तो सभी बात करते हैं, बट आई थिंक सम रिगार्ड कि हाँ, शी इज
But you
जनरस.
have to see and meet her. Is she something?
Because
Well, all of my friends, she's so welcoming that, as in all of my friends, and how everyone just falls in love with her immediately is remarkable. वो be a man वाली यार वो वाली जो बात है ना, वो होनी चाहिए actually be a human being.
of course.
यार वो she is so confident as a human being. Well, you have to. It's unexplainable. You have to meet her to understand. और वो ऐसा मेरे जैसे ही होता है, ऐसा भी नहीं कुछ कि कुछ वो जबरदस्त ज्ञान पेल रही है, वो ऐसा नहीं है. She's just a normal human being, which is very difficult these days.
I completely agree with you, and I relate very hard. मेरी wife Daisy, she's जितने भी मेरे दोस्त हैं, once they meet her, वो उसके दोस्त ज़्यादा बन जाते हैं.
Okay, yeah.
और मैं भी वही कहता हूँ कि मतलब literally I have had friendships that now I am sustaining because my wife and they are hanging out और मैं फिर साथ में होता हूँ. मैं कहता ये तो हम लोग शुरू हुए थे दोस्त, तुम तो मतलब ज़्यादा, but वही है, it's truly a privilege
Yeah, it
to
is,
have that
it
kind of a
is,
partner.
absolutely.
So when you decided to give up television, you know, and because you said you wanted to spend more time with your wife, now again, as I said, आपके लिए शायद वो जैसे आप बता भी रहे हो, शायद इतना बड़ा डिसीजन नहीं होगा, बट आई एम श्योर आसपास लोगों ने आपको कुछ बोला भी होगा कि
बहुत सुना है मैंने.
हाँ क्या कर रहा है तू.
हाँ, बहुत बेसिकली. हाँ. मेरी क्या करी पश्मीन के सामने मेरे पीछे से करते थे सब लोग.
क्या
गधा है ये पैसे मिल रहे हैं, क्या कर रहा है, ये कौन सी फिल्म है, ये क्या शूट हो रहा है तब सक्सेसफुल, किसी को नहीं मिलता है, स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है क्या वो कर रहा है ना, उसको करना चाहिए. We never spoke about it. I think the conversation was still lasted. Must have been something like कि बेबी अब मेरा दिल नहीं है. अच्छा ठीक है, सोच ले एक बारी. Third day, बेबी मेरा दिल नहीं है. ठीक है छोड़ो. Something like that. It was also कि हमने यार we had stayed away for a very long time. और जब कुछ होते हैं ना, किसी के चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू, हर किसी की अलग अलग होती हैं. तो हमारी ये थी कि यार घूमेंगे दुनिया.
बिल्कुल.
तो हमने फिर वी प्लान कि अब छोड़ दो, और क्या ही गलत किया है यार.
बिल्कुल यार, कहाँ गलत कहाँ है, अच्छी बात है.
घूमे फिर हम काफी घूमे.
अच्छा.
फिर हमारे सारे पैसे खत्म हो गए.
I have a couple more questions on the TV front, and specifically because इस प्यार को नाम क्या नाम दूं के बारे में मैंने obviously बहुत सुना था, and then
इतना लंबा तो वो चला भी नहीं था जितना सबने सुन लिया.
मतलब वही, the fan following was insane, right? So when you look back now, and is there something you picked, because it is your most lasting kind of work. आप when you look back at that character, आपको क्या लगता है, आप क्या वहाँ से सीखे थे उस character से, अर्नव से?
अच्छा हाँ, ये बिकॉज मैं ये सीखा था कि तुम जितना डरोगे ना उतना लोग डराएंगे तुम्हें.
ये डरने वाली बात समझ नहीं आई कहाँ
कि जितना डराओगे जितना डरोगे उतना डराएंगे. वो क्या होगा कि क्या कहते हैं, अगर तुम ये दिखाओगे ना कि मुझे नहीं आता है ये शायद, मैं क्या करूँगा, तो 20 लोग आएंगे तुम्हें और 20 लाख गलत बातें बता के चले जाएंगे. अब तुम फक्ड हो. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट बी लाइक कि आई हैव गॉट दिस, टॉक टू the only person who's written this. Do not give any idea to that person that I don't have hold over this. And do the best that you can. Do it better than anybody else on that set could. And nobody's gonna have a thing to say to you apart from good job.
ये लर्निंग मेरी फर्स्ट 2 years ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में हुई थी, कि जहाँ पर अगर मैं थोड़ा बोलता था लोगों की मुश्किल, तो वो ऐसे दिखते थे कि मुश्किल कैसे हो सकता है.
मैं बताता हूँ देखो.
एग्जैक्टली.
मैं बताता हूँ.
एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली डराना यही होता है कि यू ऑल्सो इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप यू हैव टू पुट अप अ फेस कि यार सब अच्छा चल रहा है.
पूरी दुनिया में है. That's the whole world.
You know, देखो television has had a certain kind of a man that has been shown, and it's so interesting that there is Indian television is one of the only mediums when you think about it in our country which is women dominated, जहाँ पर औरतें actually power में हैं, and they are choosing to write a certain kind of a man. Now I want to know from your understanding.
Is that allowed on your show?
क्यों certain kind of a man मतलब
Right.
right. Hey,
Right. Oh, I'm sorry.
Right, a certain kind of a man. What?
sorry,
What are you hearing, bro? They are writing a certain kind of a man. Did you really think that ऐसा?
I heard that.
Wow.
Sorry. I think I've been restrained from saying so many things, and you can say this only because it's a show.
Wow. No, if I talk about sex, I'll say that. Achha, this is about sex, but okay. No, right. A certain kind of a man.
Right.
So मैं जानना चाहता था, what do you make of it? The kind of men that have been written on television.
You mean TTEN?
हाँ, correct. I mean exactly that. Written by the women in television. Arnav in particular, and whatever you make of the kind of man that he was,
Right.
क्या आपको समझ आए कि यार, what is it that I think because it's also something that a lot of women have loved. What kind of a man do women in this country seem to want?
I think this might be a far stretch, but I think women like a man rising up to an occasion.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah. When somebody says that I'll take care of it without any pompousness or anything, that's right. Just keep, I'm here. I'm going to take care of this. I think not only women, again, it's about humans. Not man, not woman. It's about anybody. कोई भी बोलता है ना यार, तू रुक मैं देख ले, वो बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है. वो सुनने में छोटी लगती है, लेकिन it goes a long way, I think, in your subconscious.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
I know, Pashmin's told me this. In some casual conversation somewhere, you're like, that's what I love about you the most.
कि तू कर मैं हूँ.
Was it that you think that way? You got me covered? I'm so happy about that.
Yeah.
It was that. हालांकि वो मेरे से better ही करती जो भी करती, but it's just that thought. Let's
ये
say,
support होना बहुत
I got
important
you.
है.
Yeah.
I've also been with my it'll be 20 years
Yeah.
this
Wow.
year with me and my wife now. Since
Oh, I've been around
So,
a very long time.
यही-
28 years.
तो वही I think एक होना somebody who is in many ways
It's a huge deal. Man.
yeah to be a witness to your journey, you know, and for you to be the witness to theirs. But उसके अलावा of course, you know, just knowing कि like मैं भी मतलब almost I consider myself to चाहे I've worked in Yashraj, MTV, मतलब there is a certain thing that I love, which is the work, and then there is a certain thing that I'm not exactly fond of or excited about, which is the shosha around all of this. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं घर जाता हूँ ना, मेरी wife who is you know works in city, you know, तो she's a banker, she's a complete मतलब risk analyst.
Educated,
Yeah.
basically. Yeah.
You said it, not me. You know, that's not what I was saying. But just someone who is removed from this ecosystem, जिसके साथ बैठकर मैं ये बातें नहीं होंगी जो यहाँ होती है. Again, the kind of जो मुझे लगता है थोड़ी shallow बातें about.
Our industry, what makes it shallow is that हम बाकी सबकी बातें करते रहते हैं. So you know, you go back home, you're talking to your wife about your own personal things, your own personal feelings, your own personal interconnected feelings about the people that you're with, you spend time with you, what life is, instead of, you know, we're trying to make it look like on the big. कंचे लेके आज?
बचपन में खेलते लोग.
I was horrible at it.
Okay. So last question on this actually is thing that you did in इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूँ, आपकी so to speak जोड़ी with Sanaya, you know, and Khushi and Arnav का पूरा just the relationship. अभी अर्शी बुलाते हैं online is what I found out, which is very cute. What do you think about that specific equation that you had with Khushi or you had with Sanaya that really kind of blew up to this extent? और दूसरा आपने उसके बाद फिर ऐसा क्यों कुछ नहीं ढूंढा अपने लिए that would recreate some sort of that magic or some sort of that joy
जॉय तो मैं घर में बेड पे लेटे लेटे ढूंढ रहा हूँ बट क्या कहते हैं with me and Sanaya what happened was that if you ask Sanaya I'm what kind of romantic I am she'll like पागल है ये करना नहीं आता ये and stuff like that but the thing is with respect to the craft we were both very at a position in our lives that we really wanted to do it well. Secondly, it was written so well. And thirdly, she felt so safe with me कि she was like, इसके साथ कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. I can very proudly say that all the women that I worked with, they felt really safe around me. Okay, I'm going to extend that. What that actually does not mean that I'm the best guy in the world.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to say all you other guys are subpar. Yeah.
I didn't see that come out. That came out of nowhere, but
Yeah.
I agree. But literally, the question that I was going to ask you next, emotional safety. And I'm not just talking about emotional safety from just women perspective. I think even when I see you on screen, and आज मुझे बैठे बैठे भी लग रहा है, there is a certain kind of safety that I'm feeling with you.
क्यों नहीं होनी चाहिए वो?
हाँ होनी चाहिए, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, बट होती नहीं ना
नहीं
बहुत, क्योंकि पावर आ जाता है आदमियों के अंदर.
दिमाग खराब हो जाता है लोगों का. ऐसे लोगों का इंटरव्यू लेना बंद कर दो पहली बात. और दूसरी बात, my thing is that अपने आप को पता नहीं क्या समझते हैं सब आदमी. Where there is no what do you call it, department in which men are better than women. Oh, sorry, men are better than women. Yeah, they don't look good. Better की बात हो रही है. Good men look good. Yeah, amongst them.
Fair.
They don't smell good.
Fair.
They don't
Very
talk
fair.
well. They don't know how to conduct themselves. It's all got to do with insecurity. ये सब चीजें छुपाने के लिए ना, that I'm going to do this comes out. And that's a stupid farce. The fact is that give love, get love, and it can be done easily, very easily. You know why? Because आदमियों को ऐसा लगता है कि उन्हें एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा. मैंने ये रियलाइज किया जैसे ही मैंने जाती किया ना, तो the women give me, I have friends in the industry. I have more mothers in the industry. It's only because women are very loving.
Yeah.
आदमियों के दिमाग खराब है.
But again, I would love to know what when you say it in the context of a Sanaya or any of the women who you've worked with, how do you define safety? What for anybody who might be watching this and saying कि मुझे भी बनना है वैसा, how would you say कि you can make a woman feel emotionally safe or just safe to be around?
See, I don't think that is the only. Let's not make it unfair on the men also.
No, of course, yeah.
Okay, that's not the only job for you to make a woman safe.
Of course,
right?
of course.
If you can, you're a
Yeah.
great fucking hero, to be honest with you. But ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कुछ कम हो अगर आप वो नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो. So कई लोगों की अपनी डिस्कम्फर्ट्स होते हैं, अपने ही होते हैं कि यार ये मैं कैसे करूँ, वो मैं कैसे करूँ. It does not mean that they are bad people. It just means that they're trying to find their masculinity maybe in a place where they might be a little lost. At that time, the great thing that can happen is if there's a woman who can come in and help, which has happened with me a lot as well, and be like, what are you confused with? So that happened with me, with Sanaya also. Like if I was to hold her, and, I was conscious, कि कैसे पकड़ूं, पढ़ाई लड़की है, क्या समझ ले, क्या नहीं समझ. And she was like, इधर आ, पकड़, चल. And you're like, so so that goes a long way. And she taught me that actually. And then what happens is that, I'm sorry, did I? Oh,
No.
it's okay. Everyone should know कि ये इसकी नीयत क्या है. इंटेंट क्या है, क्योंकि वो बहुत मैटर करती है लड़कियों के लिए. और मेरी बहुत सारी लड़कियां दोस्त हैं जो Now they know that I'm safe, they're good friends, so they start talking to me. I think that person is like that. So that I hate, and I don't understand that. And yeah, and to those people, I doubt they're gonna watch any of these movies.
No, they do.
But okay, so to those people, what is it gonna get you? What are you looking for? I mean, a stupid scene rehearsed in your head from some part of your childhood, which is never going to materialize. I'm sorry. So, yeah, but being nice can be your whole life. You know, you can be nice to people. And be nice में पता क्या होता है? Be nice में everybody else is also nice.
I'm with you, Varun. मैं सच में आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, I relate to it so much. जाकिर खान है जो कॉमेडियन है,
Oh my God.
हाँ, तो उनके साथ मैं एक बारी बात कर रहा था और मैं वही बता रहा था कि यार कि एक्चुअली काइंडनेस टेक्स अ लॉट मोर एफर्ट समटाइम्स देन यू नो बीइंग एन एसोल. कि एसोल बनना तो बड़ा आसान है ना. आप किसी के साथ भी कुछ भी दैट यू नो इफ यू
कोने में बैठना था कहाँ जाके खाली जो आ रहा है उसको वो मिडिल फिंगर देनी है
Exactly.
बस. But also the thing is that कि if you're having a bad day and you've been a good person all your life,
yeah,
everyone's going to stand up for you to make it a good
I'm
day.
with you absolutely.
बहुत अच्छे से बहुत प्यार से सब कुछ कंट्रोल हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
गाली दो वो दोस्ती में दो कोई बात नहीं.
I agree.
But as in that whole overstepping of क्या कहते हैं मैं तेरे को one up करके दिखाता हूँ kind of thing, that puts me off.
No, I
That really puts me off.
completely reject this hypothesis कि
Yeah.
अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है, आपको अमीर होना है, आपको यू नो यू हैव टू बी कंसिडर्ड गुड एट योर वर्क, यू नीड टू बी एन एसोल. जो स्टीव जॉब्स का एक वो था ना कि अरे स्टीव जॉब्स इज ओके टू बी एन एसोल क्योंकि जीनियस है. और ये बहुत बोला जाता है लोगों के बारे में एंड अ लॉट ऑफ द टाइम्स मेन आर रियली दे यूज दैट राइट. अच्छा वो मेथड एक्टर है इसलिए वो टॉक्सिक चीजें करके चला जा रहा है. अगर अरे वो बहुत जीनियस डायरेक्टर है इसलिए वो थप्पड़ मार देता है लोगों को. बट यू कांट बी दैट पर्सन. आई रियली बिलीव दैट इनफैक्ट यू आर इन इफ यू आर इन पावर इट इज इवन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू showcase a certain kind of humanity those who don't have power around you.
Exact. But Steve Jobs वाली जो बात है ना, Steve Jobs would have been an asshole irrespective he made it or not.
I mean,
Because he was an asshole.
and this is true for
that
all the
this
others.
director that you're talking about who slaps around people.
But say what one person.
No, let's just say I don't work with him because I punch people when they slap me. Yeah. मुझे पता नहीं आप किसकी बात कर रहे हो,
मुझे भी नहीं पता.
पर मैं एट द सेम टाइम ये बोल रहा हूँ कि वो काम करना है, सब प्यार से काम करने हैं. और या तो ये कमिटमेंट दो कि रेसलिंग होने वाली है, फिर मैं उस तरीके से तैयार होके आऊंगा.
Yeah.
So you know you coming for work, acting, right?
आपने एक डायरेक्टर की बात की तो I worked with a director you know who is very well known in my MTV days who is a very well known film director. तो I am the studio producer. वो you know अपनी बना रहे हैं अपनी प्रोडक्शन हाउस से और एज अ डायरेक्टर
For MTV.
फॉर MTV. एंड उनके दिमाग में शायद ये था कि स्टूडियो वाले जो होते हैं प्रोड्यूसर होते हैं उनको कुछ आता नहीं है. वो चाहे उनके दिमाग में था. ठीक है ना. आई वाज also young at that time 24 20 25 26. I was very excited about doing this. I'm getting to work with a person like this. I'm getting to kind of be part of my name coming with this man.
I get it.
You know, it's one of those things, right? And I remember my first day पे गया हूँ shoot के as a studio producer, just seeing like I'm sitting with the you know director of the show who's still a friend of mine. उनके साथ मैं देख रहा हूँ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं नाम लाइक यार कितना अच्छा लग रहा है whatever it is. He oversaw or heard that, called me kind of कि अच्छा इधर आ निखिल चलो okay. And then for about 15 minutes he मतलब I would say the word to use is humiliated me in front of the whole set. The whole set stopped because उसने इतना चिल्लाया मेरे पे. He just screamed for like bloody murder. 15 मिनट कि तुम होते कौन हो, तुमने क्या सोच के बोला कि तुम्हारी औकात क्या है ये बताने की कि इस सेट पे क्या होना चाहिए.
उसको ये नहीं पता कि 15 मिनट वेस्ट हो रहे हैं.
20 मिनट उसने मुझे
You were not the subject. The subject was his superiority.
Correct.
Yeah.
And I tell you, you know, I mean, of course, that day I was like, इसके साथ तो जिंदगी में कभी उन्हें काम नहीं करना. This is the
Thank
first and
God,
last
good for
time,
you,
you know. And for whatever it's worth, कर्मा भी ऐसा होता है कि उसने जो बहुत बड़ी पिक्चर उस टाइम बना रहे थे वो ऐसे फंस गई कि अगले 3 साल तक रिलीज नहीं हुई. But what I took away from that day was, when I am in power, I'm going to be the opposite of this man.
Yeah.
मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. जब मैं कभी पावर में आऊँगा ना, मैं सबके साथ ना बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से बिहेव करूंगा, मैं किसी को भी ना छोटा नहीं फील कराऊंगा, बिकॉज द वे आई फेल्ट ऑन दैट डे in that setting, in that situation, I mean, I remember it as one of the most distinct things that has happened in my life.
very कई लोगों को actually the dopamine release happens when they feel that they have dominated someone.
Yeah.
They should be doing that in a closed
I think
room.
power does that to
Yeah.
other people, and I think वही है.
Yeah, power can't be handled at all. मैंने देखा है कितने लोगों को क्या होता है, the ultimate power is on the set ना, there are like 30-50 to 400 people.
Yeah.
तो किसी के हाथ में माइक आ गया अगर, that person has power over everyone else.
Yeah.
And how misused that is. You know.
No, I mean, moving to slightly softer things.
Softer thing, yeah.
Yeah, I want to talk about two things before we kind of end. It's really sweet that you are. I mean, you speak about it in every conversation and you say it openly कि मुझे ADHD है. Again, not something that I hear a lot of men specifically speaking, but in general, mental health.
great होते हैं.
हाँ, मतलब mental health की तो बात बहुत ही कम होती है और बहुत openly नहीं होती है. तो I wanted to know, is this something you have diagnosed?
I was self-diagnosed. So I went to the psychiatrist, the therapist, the first time, and she laughed at me. Like, I'm like, okay. And then like, okay, how do you know? Like, my legs are always moving. I cannot concentrate on one conversation that does not interest me. I have to keep moving constantly. I can't sleep. I have anxiety issues. And at the same time, what was the sixth one? I don't remember. I take medication for it now.
Sure.
So yeah, I'm much better. Otherwise, I'd be walking like crazy man the whole time. And this is how she started. It's like, oh, okay, how do you know? And like, oh, you're ADHD. Please sit down. So my mom was always like, कि hyperactive है हमारा बच्चा, hyper. उस टाइम पे ADHD है पता नहीं था. So mom was always like hyperactive. But I've tamed it a lot. A little bit with medication and a little bit with let's try to be normal human beings kind of a thing. और दूसरी बात ये भी है कि तुम थोड़ा open हो जाओ ना अगर, तो people forgive you a little कि चीज़ को जो कर रहा करने दे, हाँ. I went for a narration, I remember, to Anurag sir, and Sudeep had gone with me, and I was walking, I was doing this, and I was sitting, and Anurag sir is like, यार हो क्या रहा है, कर क्या रहा है आदमी? तो and Sudeep sir figured that out. Sudeep पहले कि इनको छोड़ दो, यही करते रहेंगे. So yeah.
And Raj sir himself has spoken. I mean, he's spoken about mental health.
नहीं पर मैं पहली बार मिलने गया. Sorry, दूसरी बार मिलने गया था. तो दो बारी में कितना पता चलता?
But नहीं, आपको पता कैसे चला? First of all कि
ADHD. पता कैसे चला? So my wife, this has been a routine for a lifetime. She बच्चों से पहले भी, she's lying down on the bed, and I'm walking around telling the whole day story, whole day, and I'm thinking in my head, this is not reasonable. And then this thing used to happen a lot. अब काफी control हो गया. फिर मुझे नींद अच्छे से नहीं आती थी. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार किसी को दिखाने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है. फिर पढ़ा थोड़ा. फिर मैंने कहा ये तुम मेरे को 100% है.
ADHD.
हाँ, ऊपर से इसकी दवाई नहीं है. तो फिर I went to the therapist and she gave me a little anti-anxiety kind of deal, which I do now. Yeah.
Okay. ADHD के बारे में नॉलेज बहुत कम है. And
डॉक्टर्स के पास नहीं है.
हाँ. और दूसरा फिर मेडिकेशन को भी लेकर एक स्टिग्मा है when it comes to especially mental health, you know. तो अब तो थेरेपी भी कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा नॉर्मलाइज हो रहा है in a certain subsection of society, but psychiatrist still is like one step a little bit further removed because वो घबरा जाते हैं, especially men. You know,
You can imagine that actually, because imagine there's a therapist client confidentially clause. The reason there is that clause is because the world that's leading all these people understand that these guys are going to be uncomfortable.
And there's also judgment, na?
Correct. Judge, as in the sense, oh yeah, right, yeah. Even I have a better term. ruling. There comes out a ruling. ये पागल है.
But you fortunately found nobody's said these things about you. You found the support you needed.
I've been very lucky all of my life, to be honest with you. Secondly, हाँ, this is a very important thing. और मैं बहुत सालों से सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं ये बोलूँगा कि अगर आपको कोई कुछ कहता है ना, उसको आप जब इग्नोर कर दोगे ना, उसकी वैल्यू जीरो हो जाती है. वो वाली बात दोबारा बोलेगा ही नहीं कभी. हमारे दिल के अंदर जब हम होता है ना ये ओ फक पकड़ ली इसने बात, ये समझ गया मेरे को, एंड वी स्टार्ट गिविंग दैट अटेंशन एंड तब उसको समझ आता है आई हैव गॉट होल्ड ऑफ दिस पर्सन. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ नेगेटिव बोलता भी है उसको थप्पड़ मत मारो, उसको बोलो ओके थैंक यू बाय, I have far more positive things to do instead of, you really have to cut with that. I mean, I don't mean anything brutal by this, but they have to cut off the negativity at the source.
No, I mean, I agree with you because, again, sometimes you don't feel safe
Yeah.
in talking about the vulnerable parts of you.
Right.
And which is why I'm saying it's really admirable कि आप बताते हो ADHD के बारे में हर जगह and you're comfortable with it because that's how you normalize it.
Right.
I have been diagnosed with clinical...
But it's a fact, it is ADHD.
No, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Right.
I have been diagnosed with clinical anxiety
Right.
a good 10 years ago and I have taken therapy for many years. मुझे बहुत घबराहट थी कि मैं इसके बारे में बता सकता हूँ नहीं बता सकता हूँ. In fact, जो मैं हमारी कंपनी है, हमारी युवा, I was able to start a company like this because I just received so much compassion from people. Because I was able to destigmatize it in my own head pehle.
That's the first law, no?
Yeah.
You have to, the only time you start walking towards a solution is when you find out that there is a problem.
Yeah. The last thing I want to talk to you about was about your children. First of all, I just want to say कि इतने प्यारे नाम हैं आपके बच्चों के. सिफत and Mir.
Sifat is Pashmeen and Mir was mine. Mir I came up with.
तो इनका पहले तो मीनिंग बताओ और ये
Sifat is Lord's praise and Mir is there's a few meanings of Mir. In Arabic means the eternal prince and in Punjabi it means Mir, the Mia who dug the first breakdown of the Golden Temple.
Wow.
Yeah.
तो मेरे दिमाग में मतलब even like many years before we had a child,
Right.
Noor was the name in my head because again I wanted something which is a little bit more rooted.
Right.
But मेरे को आपसे ये पूछना था because I find it very fascinating for people who choose to go this direction is आजकल जो नाम होते हैं अमायरा, अनायरा, because I find it fascinating that there is this whole Indian parenting culture जहाँ पर ये Americanized.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I think it had to do with I don't want my kids to be taken lightly in the society.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah. And you can't take Sifat and Mir lightly at all.
Yeah, I love that कि आपके नाम में मतलब there is that level of meaning that you have. आप सोच रहे हो इन चीज़ों के बारे में. And I see you as this. एक तो राज जवान में मैंने देखी हो इतना प्यारा लगा मेरे को. Sumit is a very dear friend. आपने जो stay at home dad वाला concept आपने दिखाया है और दर्शाया है इतनी it's a thing you don't see very often. And again, just the choice that you made in doing a show like that. I want to know what kind of a dad you are.
I'm a B plus dad, I feel.
Okay.
Or a B. Maybe.
Okay.
It's just that my wife overshines me too much. Okay, the good thing is that when I get back home, they want to hug me. That's it. And they want to play with me.
Why B? Just because of the...
Why B? I think I could be a better dad.
Why would you say that?
Why would I say that? I was a better dad.
Oh?
Yeah. वो एक टाइम था कि जब बच्चे बहस सिफत स्पेशली बात करती थी तो मैं पूरी बात करता था उसके साथ. I'm a little short on time these days. I think subconsciously the whole time the thing is that. So I tend to shut the conversation down, not by saying shut up or anything of that sort, but I keep no, that's not happening kind of a thing. वो भी थोड़ी unreasonable हल्की फुल्की हो गई है, बड़ी हो रही है 8 साल की हो गई है. But पहले मैं उसके साथ पूरा पहले मैं A+ था basically. पहले मैं I went to the root of the conversation, whatever she was thinking, and ask her कि ये कैसे हो, कैसे हुआ. Then she, if I understood it correctly, I used to explain it to her, or if I understood correctly what she was saying, I used to understand that and say like, you're right. It's a very deep conversation.
No.
Yeah, and मेरी तो खैर he's 3 years old right now, and he just wants to ram into things and that he thinks is fun. Yeah. So, but I wish I could. And if I was the best dad in the world, to be honest with you, I would still want to keep that feeling of being B, because I want to be a better dad.
I really appreciate you saying these things because again, मुझे क्या लगता है ना वरुण कि फादर्स ऑब्वियसली बहुत प्यार करते हैं बच्चों को, उनको एक्सप्रेस करना नहीं आता, उनको दिखाना शायद नहीं आता, शायद सोसाइटी में इतना सेलिब्रेट भी नहीं करते what it takes for fathers to kind of love their children. And now I'm so grateful that there are men like you again, and I try to be that person. Fathers also have those same amount of that same kind of love for their children as mothers do. Mothers have always been able to express this. Men haven't been able to express that, and we need to change that.
We need to change that. I think, irrespective of how much we try or not, it's a self-evolving society. My dad has always been like that. Like when dad's hanging up, he's always going to be like, "Ki jeete raho, jeete raho, ख्याल रखो, ये रहो." But mom is not like that. Like dads have always they've always thought of themselves as gods.
That's crazy. मेरे पापा भी हमको सिर्फ God bless you इतना बोलते थे. God bless you.
अभी बोलते हैं God bless you. It's a great thing. I love my dad to death. I love my dad to my bones. But उन्होंने जो सीखा वही सीखा ना उन्होंने. हम थोड़ी सिखा देंगे कुछ. Now the terminology has changed. Like now my daughter's gonna jump up to me on my shoulder and say, "I love you, Papa," and that's what makes my day. So does dad's God bless you. So the way men have started to behave with their daughters is very different now.
Is it more difficult being a girl dad or a boy dad?
Girl dad is a cakewalk. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. लौंडा हमारा कुछ ज़्यादा ही.
क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
यार बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि okay, so this is not a transient mode. So few years later, me and you're going to see this. Always remember, Papa loves you. Okay. He's like me, and it's difficult for him to have him sit down. He's just he likes shouting, screaming. Whereas you sit down with Sifat at the age of 7 तो होगी, 8 की होगी वो, in fact 7 तो अब हुई है. उससे पहले भी कुछ बातें उसने ऐसे बोली ये मेरे को नहीं पता था, kind of a thing. So there was one night, we're trying to figure out a Western way of, you guys are going to sleep in your room, mommy, daddy are in their own room. So the one nanny sleeps with them, and Sifat sleeps now in her own bed because she's 7. And me and Pashmeen wanted to party. We started, and suddenly she comes in. So मैं बोला कि Sifat, it's time for you to go to bed, okay? The school is 6:30 in the morning. Goodbye. 1. Second, come back again. Sifat, you need to go to bed. 6:30 in the morning, okay? It's 9 now. Late. Third, she comes back. And then I said the same thing to her. The great thing is that she's not afraid of shouting at me.
Okay.
Yeah, so she shouts at me, like, "You're not listening to what I'm saying." Like, okay, there's no time for me to listen to you. You have to go to bed. 6:30 in the morning. Now she goes out. She doesn't go to bed. She's in the living room. This is the worst I felt in my life. Okay. और मैं कुछ काम करके आया था, कुछ दिनों के बाद आया था, काफ़ी दिनों के बाद आया था, कुछ समथिंग लाइक 2 months or something. And then she is sitting on the couch, lying down. I think I told you you're supposed to be in your bed.
Yeah.
And she turns around, she's crying. And why are you crying? I just wanted to be with you for some time. And I, oh, ये तो बहुत गलत हो गया. So yeah, she comes up with, she like, I have not seen you for such a long time. She's 6 years old that time. And like, oh my God, I didn't get that. So she says things like that. वो तो, yeah.
No, I know what you mean, and I think मुझे पता नहीं, I don't have a son, but at least when I see मतलब मेरी daughter अभी से उसको empathy आ चुकी है. But you know the reason I was asking why is it tougher? मुझे ना थोड़ा I don't know आपको अगर ये feel होता है कि नहीं होता, मुझे बस थोड़ा सा इस बात की I wouldn't even say anxiety है, थोड़ी चिंता है, थोड़ा घबराहट है कि she is a girl in this world.
महाभारत तो पढ़ी आपने?
हाँ बढ़िया.
महाभारत का एक कोट है कि इंसान अपना सबसे गलत डिसीजन तब लेता है जब उसकी बुद्धि स्थिर नहीं होती है. उसकी बुद्धि स्थिर तब नहीं होती है जब वो डरा हुआ होता है. डर के आज तक कोई काम नहीं हुआ है. तो डर के कोई फायदा नहीं है. बच्चे को तगड़ा बनाओ, बस सिंपल इज दैट.
नहीं I'm with you, and you know a lot of the work that अब तो मैं पहले भी masculinity की बातें करता था, मुझे लग रहा है now I owe it to my daughter, you know, to create a safer world around her. Is there any specific thing that you are trying to teach your son and your daughter, but which are different for both of them because of the gender?
I want to tell him कि every human being is the same, to the best of my ability that I can. Okay. You don't need to be scared of anybody, and you don't need to scare anyone to be better in life.
I want to talk about, I mean, you're doing some incredible work up ahead. And मैं देख रहा था आपके the choices again, you have made it all incredible. तो I want to talk about the Avengers. As I said, कि अब सुदीप is finally is bringing together, मतलब literally अपना सुदीप cinematic universe
Right, yeah.
के heroes को साथ में ला रहे हैं. जयदीप को, आपको, अभिषेक को in one series.
अरे बहुत सारे हैं.
I mean, I'm very excited about that. Is there anything you can tell me about that?
It's a comedy. But of course, it's Sudeep's Grounds dark comedy kind of a thing, but it's really funny. It's going to be
Wow.
really funny.
Cannot wait.
Matlab, we've gone out of our way to do the funny stuff without thinking, कि stupid तो नहीं लगेगा, whatever. It's going to be a joyride. It's called, it's called Pushpak Viman.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's good. It's
can't wait.
terrific.
I can't wait.
He's put together a bunch of terrific actors.
Yeah.
मैं हम तीनों की बात नहीं कर रहा, बाकी सब की बात.
Of course.
Yeah.
And the one thing that I'm actually possibly very keen to watch is that you're doing an LGBTQ love
Yeah.
story as well,
Khoyamel.
which I think
Welcome
is...
to Khoyamel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm playing a bisexual man who's born in India, but his whole education happened in Europe. And coming out here obviously was difficult. Coming out over there was difficult, but now he's 41 years old, and it's his dad's 70th birthday, and himself, he's a diva, and his sister is also a diva in her own sense, and it's a mad show. It's a mad show. I mean, this is the kind of show you'd be like, even like you drop off of your beds and like, ho kya raha hai? Like, you see that show, you're going to be like, anybody would be an idiot to say no to the character. It's such a beautifully written, quirky character. And Coco and Joy, they gave me free hand. तो जो करना है कर. ऐसा भी नहीं मतलब we did it collaboratively. It was so good.
Yeah. And then finally, I just, given that Kora has been, I think, the defining series of our last 3 years in India, according to me at least.
Right.
Is there anything that you have understood? Because this whole conversation has been about masculinity. And this show really is about power and the intersection of power and patriarchy.
मुझे जो समझ आया वो ये था कि बहुत subtly masculinity can shoulder humanity. I don't know if have you seen the second season?
Yeah, of course I've seen second season.
So when Mona is trying to conceive, going through the IVF thing, she keeps throwing up.
Yeah.
This guy comes in with a bottle of water and doesn't want to tell her, I'm the man.
Yeah.
He just looks away. That was the cutest thing from my own self. It's just like masculinity, as in how shrewd some people might have made it out to be, is actually a blessing if used correctly. You know, it's a shoulder.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I loved that scene.
I am in love with Sudeep. I can
So
tell
am
you,
I.
Yeah, I can tell you hands down, he's the best writer of our country.
I agree.
Well, actually, I think he loves me more than I love him. तो उनका आइडिया कभी ये होता ही नहीं. उनका आइडिया यही होता है कि क्या कहते हैं, how do I put him in the best part? बेस्ट पार्ट का मतलब ये भी नहीं है जो हम लोग समझते हैं सारे कि
of course.
800 लोग गिरा के मार दिए or whatever he can do. He's like, when I was writing this part, I had nobody else in mind. I was writing this with you in mind with respect to the dialogues. भी वरुण भाई यही बोलेंगे, यही बोलने वाले. So, yeah, I got very lucky with that, man.
And I just thank you, Barun. I want to conclude this to kind of say that मैंने आपके बहुत पॉडकास्ट सुने और देखे, पॉडकास्ट की कॉन्वर्सेशंस देखी हैं, इंटरव्यूज देखे बिफोर कमिंग हियर, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू एक्सप्रेस माय ग्रैटिट्यूड, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि आप बहुत इजीली ओपन अप नहीं होते. Today you have opened up, you have really kind of let your guard down, and I'm so grateful कि आपने मुझे trust किया, इस space को trust किया, to be able to say all of these amazing stories and amazing bits about you. Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
So we have a segment called Men Complimenting Men. So what we have done is we get compliments that men have given you on social media platforms. आदमियों ने क्या क्या अच्छी प्यारी बातें आपके बारे में लिखी हैं, and we have gotten some of that here. So we want you to just react to it, read it and react to it.
Okay. वरुण, तू ट्रॉफी से बेटर लगता है हमेशा. Oh, Lalit. Oh, this is my friend. He directed me to इस पे क्या नाम दूँ? वरुण, तू ट्रॉफी से बेटर लगता है हमेशा. I love you, Lalit. Best wishes and many congratulations on to becoming much more finer performer and human. Barun Supti doesn't say, it's Chang. Yeah, it doesn't talk much.
तो लोगों को पता है ये थोड़ा
नहीं, अब चैंग तो अपना बंदा है ना, तो उसको उसके सामने तो बहुत बोलता हूँ, उसको ये पता है, लेकिन बाकी सबके सामने चुप रहता है.
चैंग इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन आल्सो.
A lovely guy.
Very.
I liked your way of speaking. It has made me in love with you when I watched you on Asur. You play an unbelievable role. Here's your crown, sir. Thank you so much. Deepak Das says, just in watching Asur 2 and now the only thing that's going around is the eagerly wait of Asur 3. Oh yeah. Yeah. Eagerly waiting.
आप भी वेट करें, आ रहे हैं.
We're working around the dates and stuff, so it's written already.
Fingers crossed. Very excited to see.
Yeah. Who is this clean-shaven, well-groomed person? I don't recognize him at all. Yeah. Nice pictures, yeah, Bernie. It's Mohit and Chang. Yeah. Yeah. I usually don't shave much. जो काम के लिए बोलते हैं कि आप सुंदर दिखो, तब होता है.
And your friendship with Mohit and the gang from that. Yeah.
Mohit was not even in the show actually. Mohit नहीं था. Mohit is married to Sanaya. So yeah, all of us here, we're all pretty tight. If an Indian version of you ever happens, I would kill myself to see playing. So would I actually. Yeah. राम दुआई जी. अपना लिख के बना लेंगे, टेंशन मत लो.
अब सीरियल किलर वाला आपने शायद कहीं बोला भी, आपको सीरियल कहीं बनने का शौक है.
Yeah, I read a lot about. I like. There's no documentary in the world that I've not seen that's not
on true crime.
Serial killer.
Yeah. Why?
मेरे को ऐसा psychology से समझना, it really interests me.
Mindhunter must be your favorite show of all time.
Mindhunter is too faint, मतलब बहुत कम है वो. Like Ed Kemper वाला season अच्छा था, ठीक था. उनको they should do it. There are way too many. They should just capitalize and start making one every year.
What is your recommendation then? Tell me like one
show.
Yeah, true crime. Huh?
Dahmer.
Of course.
Is it just me or he gives Virat Kohli? Oh, thriki.
खुशी कहती है reaction या क्या
reaction? He's a legend, yeah. Who am I to say anything about him?
Correct.
Right. Vegan. So this is Gattu, okay. Gattu. Bernie, I think in all my life of knowing you, this is the first time I have seen you click a picture of yourself. Gattu, गधे. ये मैंने नहीं खींची है, ये पश्मीन ने खींची है. मैंने जो खींचा है वो ऑमलेट की है.
So Gautam is again a common. I just want to say on camera, very dear friend, very sweet man,
Yeah.
and our common friend,
Yeah.
Gautam Hegde.
Yeah.
I love that. उनके comments भी उनके जितने मजेदार
Cartoon
होते
एक
हैं.
नंबर है. भाई.
Absolutely.
He's
Thank you for
lovely.
this. The other segment is called kind shoutouts. I'm going to just read out some statements और आपके दिमाग में जो आदमी आता है, you have to say.
Okay, sir.
Okay. A man who is your Sunday
Milind.
because he's the director of the film, or
Milind, yeah, of course. Milind is. अब ये बोलने में ऐसा लगेगा कि ये तो वो फिल्म करी होंगे. We have to meet him to understand.
the man who makes you feel safest.
Papa.
That's it. Makes sense. The best girl dad you know. That's fair. I love that. If Is Pyar Ko Naam Do was remade today, who's the man who would have played Arnav? Right.
Oh my God. Now the thing is, the factory is overflowing. So I don't know. And I want to know. Okay, Nakul maybe.
Fair.
Yeah.
I love Nakul. Nakul is one of my dearest friends, and I think he'd play any role amazing.
Yeah.
This one particularly. So
Yeah.
it's a good call, good choice. The most empathetic man.
Oh, I have to rule this one out. I'm sitting out of the game
Why?
because I am the most empathetic man. ये लगी अपनी तारीफें करी जा. विशाल मेरा दोस्त है एक from Gurgaon, Kawa.
Okay.
Very empathetic.
The man whose mind you find sexy.
Sexy. Has to be somebody crazy. सुदीप भाई.
Okay.
वो खड़े रहेंगे आपके बीच में स्माइल करते करते जब और जो अथॉरिटी की बात आएगी तो he has the ability to run you down with, and not the people he loves is what I'm talking about.
Of course.
You know, you are not known by the people you can dominate that can be dominated.
Yeah.
You're known as a character by the people who cannot be dominated by anyone that you can dominate. He's that person.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
The man who defines the term wife paglu.
Wife पगलू.
Wife paglu is
क्रैक.
मतलब
अच्छा बीवी के पीछे पागल है.
ये Gen Z तरीका है बोलने का.
हाँ वाइफ पगलू. ओके.
हाँ तो correct.
हाँ मोहित.
Mohit. Tanayas.
हाँ वो wife
Why
पगलू.
do you think he's the most wife paglu man, you know?
ओहो ये तो लड़ाई हो जाएगी. ये मतलब बेसिकली वो ऐसा है कि वो जो बोलती है वो वैसे करेगा.
Sweet. Okay. The man with the most main character energy.
मेन कैरेक्टर अक्षय हमारा दोस्त है.
अच्छा. आपका दोस्त है.
डोगरा. इस पे क्या नाम है? He was playing my older brother.
Okay. Why do you think he has the most main character energy?
His body language, first of all. I mean, he's the main guy wherever he goes, basically. वो आएगा पहले तो nobody is going to somehow is going to challenge where he's going to be sitting. He sits, and he just settles. Someone's going to get him something, you know, and then he's not going to move. Then भैया बात करेंगे. But he has the potential of being one of those गुरुजी होते हैं ना ऐसे.
Interesting.
हाँ, yeah, main character है.
Superb.
My main character with respect to the fact कि ऐसा नहीं अकेला वो बैठा है और 2 लोग सुन रहे हैं खाली. 2 लाख सुन रहे हैं. वो ऐसा वाली main character है.
Sweet. Because you speak about range a lot, who is the actor with most range
इंडिया में
in India? इतनी क्या कमी है?
बहुत कमी है भाई. राजकुमार राव comes closest.
Interesting.
Rajkumar Rao thoda, he can do urban, rural, all of those.
Loud also you can do.
Loud he can do.
Interesting.
Yeah.
The man who portrays masculinity best on screen. You know?
I think Vijay Sethupathi. Yeah, I think it's that phenomenon that I've been thinking all of my life कि you have to leave the whole deal of being a dominant male actor in the film behind and then portray your character which was written as a man. So and वो एक्टर भी बड़े कमाल के हैं, वो रेंज भी इनफैक्ट वो नहीं पे जाता.
No, he's superb. He's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Okay, last couple. One, the man with the best, who gives you the best hugs.
Well, I get a lot of hugs
Yeah.
and a lot of love. I really get a lot of real hugs from men and women both, a lot.
I think it's a great thing that you're not able to find one answer to this.
Yeah.
It's a very sweet. Man with the best smile.
Rajkumar.
I love that the love you have for Rajkumar. You've not
Oh,
worked,
is it in? I don't know.
you haven't worked with him.
Never worked.
Interesting.
With him. Yeah, just shook hands with him.
मैं भेजता हूँ उनको ये क्लिप्स निकाल के. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अब कितने अच्छे से बात करें उनके बारे में. No, he is a wonderful, beautiful actor, beautiful person. We have spoken many
But he
times.
seems like that, yeah.
He's a really nice and बहुत ही again हम जैसे कहना disarming energy उनकी. Just even as a person, he doesn't carry his very much like you. Doesn't carry his success with him.
दिमाग खराब नहीं.
हाँ वो बिल्कुल आगे chill ही है आपके साथ. वो पूरा बकचोदी भी कर सकते हैं. बड़े मजेदार हैं. I really enjoy him as a person. Our last question.
Yeah.
Absolutely, you've been so kind and so generous with your time today. So our first segment is the Man Enough to Care segment. It's presented by Dove Men Plus Care.
Who was a man in your life who was man enough to care for you? Okay,
Yeah.
I can give you one more. I can give two. I should. Why not? Actually, I actually want to say to Vijay sir, he was our IT head in our office, where I had to travel to Bombay the first time for an audition, but I didn't have the money, and he booked my ticket to and fro. Never in his life the man asked me, "How did your audition go?"
Wow.
And I will always owe him. There's Mr. Sanjeev Garg. He was our CEO. And he was like, I've heard you moving to Bombay. I said, yes, I want my gratuity if possible. And it's a 7-year process. I got it in the same day. And he was like, Varun, someone gave me an opportunity. That's how I got where I am. I'm going to give you this opportunity. So thank you, Sanjeev sir.
These are in your BPO.
In my BPO. Yeah. Both these.
मैं वही लग रहा है हमको लगता है कि humanity है नहीं.
No.
But honestly, we are, all of us, even every time you say luck, I actually think that it's so many people who have stood by you, who have done all of this small things to
Right.
get you to where you are.
Right, absolutely.
At the right time, just done something for you, noticed something about you. I appreciate that you remember this. It's such a sweet thing to remember.
Yeah. I mean, if I forget this, that's dismal.
I really appreciate that. Varun, you have been, I think I'm so happy about this conversation because मुझे सच में मतलब because I didn't find enough about you online, but you have opened about almost everything. I really appreciate that. This is your
ये अच्छे से जवाब देने के लिए.
and हाँ मतलब नहीं भी अच्छा देते हैं, आपको हैम्पर जरूर देते हैं. This is the Dev Men Plus Care hamper, but इसमें एक actually बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. दिस इज अ मैन.
Oh, there's a gap. Wow.
I mean all of sure. ये मैन 2.0 डिक्शनरी है.
Oh, nice.
Very interesting A to Z दिया what should masculinity actually be and could look like.
Yeah,
आप जरूर पढ़ना because I know you like reading books, so you really enjoy this. If you liked our conversation with the incredible Varun Sobti, please like, share and subscribe to We Are Yuva on all social streaming platforms. आपको कैसा लगा Varun?
I had a great time.
I'm so glad.
I was really surprised actually. It's a pretty novel concept.
Thank you for being part of it, and I really wish you all the success in the world.
So do I.
We end our episodes by just asking for the guest and from the man, can I please give you a hug? Because you've just been so kind and sensitive and vulnerable. Really appreciate your time. Thank you so much, Param. Thank you.